What are we doing, huh? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's picking up the scraps.
Lenny G.
Lenny G. What's up, big homie?
Come here.
Oh my goodness. Look at the Lenny G's. Oh, hello. Hello, Lenny G's. He is a rambunctious little stinker. Oh, that's Luna Bear. Get out of here, Luna Bear. You're not that cool.
He was just sitting over there.
He's on this end now. See? Told you, you can always find Mr. Blue Eyes just in a corner chewing on a toy. What are you doing back here? What are you doing back here? I can see your blue eyes from here. Oh my goodness gracious. I got the toys.
He's got my tail.
What are you doing?
Literally.
Hey, don't chew on that. There they are. I know you're probably not going to keep the name, but that's Lenny G, the rambunctious, adventurous one I told you about. As you can tell, he don't stop. He just loves to play. Oh my goodness, that's his mom. I think he's trying to suck the tit.
He's trying to get her tail.
Oh, there's the dad. Toby. Hey, Tobes. What are you doing, boy? Hey, what are you doing, Tober Lopers? Hey, Toby, sit down. Hey, sit. Good boys. Toby's such a good boy. Oh, good boy, Tobes. What about Maya Moo? Maya Moo, come here. Hey, sit. Good girl, Maya Moo. Okay, so there's the mamas, and there's the daddies. Mamas, dads, dads, moms, moms, dads. And of course, Mr. Blue Eyes. What are you doing, Mr. Blue Eyes? What are you doing back there? Oh, like I told you, man, he's always hiding in a corner just chewing on a toy. And then you have the black one, the all black one with no white is the one we're keeping. We named her Luna Bear. And then that guy with the white on his toes and on his chest. Where is he? Come here, Lynn.
Come here.
Where's the squeaker at?
Right here. We got one.
We got one squeaker. Oh, there he is. What's up, Lenny's? What are you doing, dude?
Oh, got him.
And there's Mr. Blue Eyes. What's up, Mr. Blue Eyes and Lenny? Look at them two. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. I don't know where he went. All right, I'm going to put these dogs to bed, man. But I figured I'd give you a quick preview of the dogs. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that stinky dog doing? What is that stinky dog doing? Oh my goodness, they got toys. So, oh, look at that. Lenny G's peeing. All right, good job, dude. I love it when you pee on my new floor. What are you doing, man? Hey, y'all want to go outside? Y'all want to go outside? Yes, let's go. Oh, sorry, I just kicked one in the face, I think. Oh, sorry, dude. Hey, bro, my bad, man. You all right? And we got some snow. All right, peace out, guys. Love you. Talk to you next time.